Where's Big Bear? Where's Big Bear? There's Big Bear. Yeah, taco. Nice standing. Where's Heidi? Do you know where Heidi is? Where's Heidi? There she goes. Apparently she doesn't like her socks. She prefers to do it the Western PA way. Get rid of those things. Yeah. Wow, that's nice. It's a good place to save your sock. Just in case. Just take that out of your mouth. Take the sock out of your mouth.
Give it to Mama. Give your sock to Mama. Thank you, baby.
Good job. Oh my goodness.
Ava, can you show Daddy more? Show Daddy. Show Daddy.
Ava, right here.
Show Daddy.
Ava, can you show me more?
Good.
Yeah, good job.
How do you do please? Show Daddy please. Show Daddy.
Can I see please?
You do it.
Say
Do it
please.
That's it. Can you show Daddy? That's how you do it. Yep.
She's gonna. Oh boy, to the kitchen she goes. Oops. Hi. Oh, that was right on your bum.
Stand up.
Come on.
Stand up.
Can you bring your sock to Mommy? Good. Can you give it to Mommy?
Uh-oh. Get your sock. Where'd it go? Where'd it go?
Oh, crap.
Okay.
Good girl. Can you bring it to Mama?
Hey,
Here you go.
hit the
Thanks.
Thanks, baby.
Yeah,
Thank
there you go. What a good girl.
Okay, you want to say bye?
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, sweetie.